In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install MetaMask on your Google Chrome browser. MetaMask is a widely used cryptocurrency wallet and gateway to blockchain apps. So, whether you are new to crypto or a seasoned trader, having MetaMask set up correctly on your browser is essential. Let's get started. First things first, we need to ensure you're visiting the right source to get MetaMask. So, open your Google Chrome browser and head over to the official MetaMask download page at metamask.io download. This is crucial because downloading from the official site ensures you're getting the legitimate version that's safe to use. Once you're on the download page, you should see a clear option labeled Install MetaMask for Chrome. Go ahead and click on that button. Clicking this button will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store, where the MetaMask extension lives. The Chrome Web Store is the only place you should be downloading Chrome extensions from, as it guarantees a level of security by verifying the extensions. You'll notice a button on the page that says Add to Chrome. This is your next step. Clicking on Add to Chrome begins the process of integrating MetaMask directly into your browser. Shortly after you click, you'll see a pop-up asking you to confirm this choice by clicking Add Extension. This confirmation step is necessary to grant MetaMask permission to access certain features in your browser, which is standard for any extension. Once you've clicked Add Extension, the installation will proceed, and you'll see MetaMask appearing among your browser extensions. After the extension is installed, something exciting happens next. MetaMask will automatically open up in a new tab. This tab is where the real setup begins. It's here you'll encounter the user-friendly, on-screen instructions provided by MetaMask to guide you through the initial setup. You can choose to create a new wallet if this is your starting point on your crypto adventure, or if you already have a MetaMask wallet, you'll have the option to import your existing one. Take your time during this setup process, as you'll be dealing with critical security details like setting a strong password and securely storing your seed phrase. Remember, your seed phrase is the key to your wallet, and keeping it safe is of utmost importance. You don't want to lose it or share it with anyone to ensure the security of your assets. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to installing and setting up MetaMask on your Chrome browser. Following these instructions ensures you're equipped to explore the decentralized world with one of the most trusted tools available. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.